So we're going to be changing wiper blades on this car. This is my wife's vehicle. You can see the blade has started to come off here a little bit. So I got a couple pointers for you. These wiper blades go up and down and meet in the middle here. What you can do is a little trick here to make it easier. All right, so get your key, turn on the car, you don't have to start it. And turn on your wiper blades and then turn off your key when the wiper blades are right at the top. So now we got the wiper blade right over here to the side. You can just tip it up like this and now it's easy to work with. Right here we've got the wiper blade. I'm on this side because it's better light. You make sure that you got the correct wiper blade that'll match. These ones are aftermarket, but they'll work just fine. You set those aside. If there's a guard on it, leave it on there until you're done installing. So what you can do with the old one here is just pop it off like that. And then take this piece that's out of there. And so it should look like that. Take your new wiper, put in the bottom edge first, or top edge first, my fault. And then squeeze the bottom together and pop it in. Make sure that the tab lines up right there. And same thing on this side. Remove the shielding on the blade and very gently put it back down on the glass. And then repeat the same step on the other side.